Hi, this is Rihanna, and I'm a nutritionist and strength coach. You are watching me on Filmy Beat, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel.
Hi Rihanna, welcome to Filmy Beat.
Hi, Monica.
Okay, so talking about this current scenario, people know like lockdown है and अभी भी somewhere like curfew सारी चीजें. So आप कितना maintain रखते हो social distancing, sanitization and everything? What do you have to say about this pandemic?
So this pandemic has really taught us a very good lesson that you must take care of your own self without any reason. And this curfew, so we have to obey this curfew. We have to take care of ourselves by eating right. You have to be at home, and all small things you need to take care, like washing your hand and just clean yourself and maintain the social distancing. It is very important.
Alright, so where did you stand in this industry and what do you think you should have done in your career?
Well, first of all, like it's a long story, but I'll cut it short. Since childhood, I was always a fitness freak, and surfing net to find out which is the best diet or best recipe, healthy recipe. So I used to try everything. And just as a curious child, I was into reading a lot, surfing net and find out this, that and everything. Then I realized, no, I need a professional help. So like that, I joined a fitness academy. I learned, I gained knowledge, I applied on myself, and then I felt that this is something I want to take it as a profession and no looking back, and I don't think I can be something else other than a nutritionist.
That's great. Okay, so apart from that, the pandemic has definitely made everyone realize about the importance of immunity thing. So you tell me, what does one need to focus on?
See, there is no one thing or one food that can magically make you immune. You need to understand that immunity is actually a result of your overall metabolic health, and if you are fit and healthy metabolically, then you will get a good immunity level. So you need to focus more on eating right thing. You need to understand that you need all the nutrients in that food, and exercising daily, and rest is very important. That in this stressful life we don't take it, and when we fall sick we blame on food, not on things which we are lacking in.
Correct, that's right. But apart from that, since we are talking about the food, so would you recommend a dosage of fat food in everyday's diet, and if yes, what kind of food?
First of all, thank you for bringing this up, because people are so scared about eating fat in their food, कि मैं fat खाऊंगा तो मोटा हो जाऊंगा, but that's not true. Eating fat will never make you fat. Dietary fat has such a great importance in our daily life that we need to add it in all our food. Just because our hormones, our tissues, our cell membrane, everything is made of fat. We get energy from fat, and for our biological function we need dietary fat. Yes, we need to separate a good dietary fat from bad fats, and the options are your coconut oil, butter, ghee. These are the best option you can go for, and don't worry, dietary fat will never make you fat.
And what about sugar?
Sugar, well, it's definitely you must avoid sugar in all your meals.
Alright, and nowadays celebrities started talking about body shaming. How much pressure would actors have on staying slim?
Well, I don't think this body shaming should even come in between, because the amount of hard work our actors, new generation actors are taking, and making them look fitter each and every day is commendable. We should see their skills more than how they look. And first of all, if they are on set and they are working out and they are working whole day, that shows that how fit they are from inside. So just going on the basis of how big or how slim they look, I don't think it's a good thing.
Alright, so which Bollywood celebrity has the best body according to you?
Well, I think in general the bar for a fit body is set very high in Bollywood. And so I feel almost, most of the actors are having a good body, and if so it's very difficult for me to choose one when everyone is having good body. But since you have asked me, I would say it's John Abraham and Tiger Shroff, and in females I would say Malaika Arora and Jacqueline Fernandez. This is because probably I've seen their workout personally and seen their body and the amount of hard work they have put in. It's commendable.
Yeah, that we can see on Instagram too.
Yeah.
Alright. So the new younger generation is busy making six packs abs through the day. Are Bollywood actors not giving the wrong message to their fans?
Absolutely not. Because whatever celebrities are doing, and the younger generation are getting inspired by them, and if they are focusing more on fitness, then I don't think there's any harm. So I feel nowadays, the awareness about fitness is so much that these younger generations are just getting into it, and which is a good thing. Yes, which is not a good thing is one should not go for any shortcuts to make or achieve their dream body, or they should not make this as their first priority.
Yeah, they take powders and all that.
Yeah,
That is not good
correct.
for body.
Any shortcuts, there are many drugs, which is not advisable for young people or for anybody. So they should put their hard work to make a good lifestyle, sustainable lifestyle, and a good body. So these all hard works are extremely needed.
Alright, and we have seen some of your client transformation and they are really great. So how do you go about it?
Thank you so much for the compliment. Well, to be honest, the entire credit goes to my client for the immense dedication they have shown. And so the way I work is a little different. I analyze my client's history, health history, then I correct their nutrition, and basis on their health and goal, I plan the nutrition. And I would say it's all about understanding the client in person, understanding their psychology, their physiology, and their medical health, overall everything. So I believe that to connect with your client is very important. That's how the client too will become very motivated to follow entire process.
Okay, so now when you turn back or you look back like this since when you started your journey, so how do you describe your journey in one word?
It was amazing. Yes, many ups and downs when I was doing a job, but then I have come through so many lives, and they are different lifestyle. I've connected to each one of my client and their lifestyle, and I've got to learn so much. In fact, what book will not teach you, these all experiences will teach you in life. So my journey was amazing, and this is my work, and this is the thing. I do it with my heart. So I don't think anything else I can do it in life other than just connecting to my clients and try to make them healthy for all their life.
Alright, so before ending the session, what message you would like to give to the viewers who are watching you right now?
Just eat right. Okay, my message to all the viewers who are watching this, you need to eat right. You have to eat according to your physiology. You have to see, are you feeding your hormones or not? That's very, very important thing. And don't miss your workout. Exercise daily, even at home or in the gym, or just dance for 10 minutes. That's okay, but move your body and stay fit and keep yourself hydrated.
Thank you so much for giving us your time. It was great to talk to you.
Same here, Monica. Thank you so much for having me here.